is a 04 Honda Pilot. I have to take the stabilizer link out, place that, and I gotta do the lower ball joint. I figured it was easier to just fix the whole control arm. It comes with the ball joint, so I just gotta take the pin out of there, loosen that out, separate that, take that off. It's on the other side. Take that off. So basically got 5 nuts to take out for this side, and now I'll do the ball joint, the lower ball joint, and the stabilizer on this side. On the other side, I gotta do the tie rod end and the tie rod inner. But I don't know how much more of this I'm gonna record because I kind of got to rush. Got stuff to do. So let's see. It's Sunday. I don't want to work on this car. So it's 2 18mm open end wrenches to get this stabilizer. On that, we was able to just put a socket, impact on the bottom of that, knock that off. What is that, a 19? Yeah, it's a 19. For the ball joint. Working on the other side. One side off over here. Gotta do this tie rod too, so we'll get to that next.
Yeah. But I do it like this, look.
Yeah, whatever, Steve.
Because I'm, you know.
It pops right out. There's a tool to pop this piece out there. We gotta split it.
Now you gotta unscrew it.
Well, we loosen that nut once.
Now we gotta unscrew it.
There's a nut in the middle.
It ain't going nowhere. So
yeah, pull it right off.
This, and where's the new one at?
We gotta take that piece off too. We gotta do inner too.
Why?
We gotta take the boot off. Because that's what's broken. We gotta take the boot off. You see the boot? We gotta take the boot off. There's 2 clips on each side. We pull the boot off. Then we gotta. There's a tool. We hook it up. Yeah, there's a tool.
How's it come undone?
You clip it off. It's gonna break. It's gonna break when you pull it off. The needle nose.
Do we gotta do this?
Yeah, you gotta take that off. Yeah, because I gotta put a new one on the end. So I need a new one on the end, and we're taking that piece off too.
Throw this away.
Basically, throw it in the scrap pile.
I don't know what's going on right now, so I'm gonna go get a cup of coffee in a minute.
This piece, inner tie rod, this goes on it. You gotta bang it back like a screwdriver sign. Get enough space for the tool to fit. This is the tool. There's a little stupid thing right here. This thing slides on, boom. After you get a space. Or just like that. Save the boot.
Do you want something to drink at the store?
Nah, I want to, man. Get this threaded. I'll show you how this tool works. Alright, so this is the piece. Put it on like so. And use this bad boy from Harbor Freight. See if I can do this one-handed. It's actually hitting the ball joint ain't straight. Oh man.